I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure the router is powered and the Wi-Fi name and password haven't changed because mismatches cause drops. Then force a clean reboot of the Xbox. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds, wait about 30 seconds, and power it back on. This clears cached network issues. Next, reboot the modem and router by unplugging both for 20 seconds and plugging the modem back first. Then the router. This resets the upstream connection and often fixes transient disconnects. Once done with restarts, you dig into Settings. On the Xbox, go to Settings, General Network Settings, and run the network test to see signal strength and NAT type so you know what's failing. Make sure the console uses the best band, 5 GHz for lower interference and better speed, or 4 GHz for distance. Switch bands on the router if congested. If disconnects persist, assign a static IP or create a DHCP reservation on the router so the Xbox keeps the same address, and forward Xbox Live ports to stabilize sessions. You finish by updating firmware on the router and the Xbox system software, because old firmware can drop connections unexpectedly. If wireless remains weak, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or add a Wi-Fi extender or mesh node to improve signal reliability. This fixes most packet loss and lag. Finally, clear the Xbox alternate MAC address or perform a factory network reset if needed, then retest. If that still fails, try the alternate MAC clear first. It often resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.